Hi, today in front of me HONOR X6a and I'll show you how to turn on or turn off silent mode on this device. So first we should open the settings application and then tap to the sounds and vibration. Here you'll see sound and silent mode, so just to activate silent mode just tap on it, and to turn it off switch silent to the sound one. Also, we get one more way how we could do that. Just open the control panel and you'll find here sound icon. Just to activate silent mode, click twice to the silent, and now our device muted successfully. To turn it off, click to the cross ball to the silent icon and it switched to the silent one. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you like this video, leave thumbs up and subscribe our channel.